All right, we're here for mini lesson 6. I thought I wouldn't get this out to you today on this Friday, but lucky you, we are. Most of you are doing a great job. One of the things I would like to let other students know that may not. Um, I know I've got several athletes that are in this class, and I have to give a shout out to our RU athletes. I've had several from in all the sports, and I think and they their academic our athletic department and their academics is one of the best in the nation. In case you all didn't know that, my friend Ursula over there kind of runs herd on the guys and gals over there, but they do a great job, and they're smoking through this course without much trouble, and and so are a lot of you. But I just kind of wanted to give a shout out to because they as a lot of you all, I know a lot of you all are working and all that kind of stuff too. Um, they put in a lot of hours away from the school, and they're expected to perform at a high level in their athletic endeavors and in their academic endeavors. And so, anyway, enough of that. Potential energy. There are many types of potential energy. We will focus first on gravitational, and that means how high something is. In other words, I don't know why I didn't have me up there to start with. Let me back up here a little bit. Welcome. It's a beautiful Friday afternoon, and it's 3:15 on a Friday, and I want to get the hell out of here. So here's the deal. You've got um, if I take something like this pen, all right, on my desk here, if I take this pen and I drop it, boom, and I have to raise it up to lift its potential. Raising its potential, I'm going to drop it, and it's going to gain kinetic energy as it goes crashing to the ground. All right, so that's what we're going to be looking at here with the potential energy. Whoops, didn't mean to be recording that. Uh-oh. Cannot record. Okay, hopefully this is still going. Great. All right. So that one's still going. So we're good. Okay. What does the equation for gravitational potential energy look like? Okay. This has a mass of 12 kilograms. It falls, smacks her in the foot. Ouch. That hurts. The gravitational potential energy is equal to mgh. Now I'm going to throw a wrinkle in here. As always, mini lesson 6 notes. I am going to start. You're going to be on the slides. You're going to see PE. I'm changing PE to potential energy to equal U. We usually in physics books you call it U, and I'm going to put a small g here for gravitational potential energy, and that is equal to the mass times the mass times gravity times the height that we raise something. And I think it's probably in the slide here. Yeah, mass, gravity times the height. So the mass of an object, gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. Now we're not going to worry about the negative sign because this is a scalar quantity. I know we didn't talk too much about vectors and scalars here, but gravitational potential energy is like making money. Kinetic energy is like spending money. So you get and at the end of the month, hopefully you've worked out you're the same, or you've actually got more potential energy than you do kinetic energy. All right, you've actually earned more money than you've spent in a month. Example: the height of an Olympic platform dive. Didn't I get the Mobley stuff on here? Okay, maybe I didn't. Okay, height of it's 10 meters above the water. Calculate the potential energy. All right, so let's just go ahead and do that so you can see what it looks like. I know I can go through it on the slide. So he's at 10 meters high. G is equal to 9.8 meters per second squared. And his mass, what did they say, 81.8 kilograms? I don't know where they came up. Maybe they actually looked it up or something. Okay, so the gravitational potential energy would be 81.8 times 9.8 times 10 meters. And that is equal to 8,016 joules. Okay, 8,016 joules. All right, let's see if we can get another slide in here. Okay, go ahead and watch this Mobley and pads thing. All right, I've got that on there for you all to watch. I'm going to stop here and go ahead and record what we've done so far.